similarity to Krishna since, in the Gundicha temple, he is said to have received care from Devadasis, who are said to be representatives of Krishna's gopis and led by his beloved, Radharani, much as in the Krishna story in Vrindavan. When Jagannath returns to his temple, Lakshmi enters and covers him with magic dust, causing him to forget his adventures with the Devadasis and reunite with his own spouse or lover. The tale of goddess Gundicha. According to another tale, the temple's name comes from a local deity called Gundicha, who is said to be similar to Durga. Legend has it that Krishna Jagannath, along with his brother and sister, would visit her every year as his aunt. It is said that Gundicha may heal certain deadly diseases, the most amazing being smallpox. At this time, Bengal was experiencing a smallpox outbreak, and people prayed to Gundicha in hopes of curing the afflicted. Odia word, Gundi, means smallpox. The word's etymology is similar to Guti, the name of the smallpox deity of the nearby Bengali city, Gutika Thakurani. Legend behind the first Rath Yatra in Dwapar Yuga. Rath Yatra holds as much significance as the devout feelings linked with Lord Krishna's pastime and the gopis of Braj. When Lord Krishna left Braj during the Dwapar Yuga, he caused Radha Rani and the gopis to suffer for 100 years, despite the fact that he adored them. While the separation was merely outward, because the gopis' minds were already in yoga, connection with God, the divine separation intensified their pure love and selflessness. 100 years after their separation, the gopis of Braj felt the ecstasy of pure love for their beloved Sri Krishna. When there was a solar eclipse, hundreds of devotees congregated at Brahma Lake in Kurukshetra to bathe in the Kund. Bathing in this sacred water was seen to be just as beneficial as doing an Ashwamedh Yagya. As part of his pastimes, Lord Krishna visited Brahma Kund with his 16,108 queens, as did the other Yadus. Radha Rani and the gopis also travelled from Braj to the lake. They were overjoyed when they saw Lord Krishna after 100 years. They did not, however, feel the same beautiful, magnificent, and heavenly delight when they beheld his sumptuous appearance as king of Dwarka. So that they may all experience the Braj Ras in his loving form as their beloved Shyamsundar, they asked him to return to Braj with them. Lord Krishna concurred since he had a similar experience. Sri Balaram and Subhadra Devi also entered Mahabhav Samadhi, witnessing his holy ecstasy. As the Lord took on the shape of a friend, child, and beloved, he lost his luxurious form, and all the Brajvasis, or people of Braj, once again enjoyed the ecstasy of their beloved Shyamsundar and his heavenly siblings when the chariot arrived at Braj. In the history of the Yug, this was the first Rath Yatra.